Jimmy JV51 from Xiaomi Youping has 115 watt effective suction power. Yes, same power as Romi FX Storm, yet it is cheaper. How that is performed with just one floor cleaning head? Let's find out. I'm impressed. Why pay more when Jimmy JV51 can do the task well? Yes, it can suck in all the stuff that you throw at, from the usual dust, larger long leaf, and even heavy mung beans. Just single trip will do, and it performed very well on carpet test too. No need another head for carpeted floor for sure. That's great. Well, that's it for the quick test. Thanks for watching. Peace.